Greetings to all. Welcome to our GE2 pitch contest presentation template. Let me start introducing our team members. Lalita, Balaganesh, Basil, Guru Prasad, Rubiatul Fagana, Mufid and Radhika. In a world that is constantly evolving, innovation becomes the driving force behind progress and success. Our contest pitch today revolves around a concept that aims to address a pressing challenge in food industry. Many school children face the problem of losing interest eating the same type of food every day. Parents often worry about their children's nutritional intake and struggle to provide a balanced and varied diet in their lunchboxes. Additionally, there are children who have health concerns and suffer from nutritional deficiency and require special attentions. Statistical research shows that 6 out of 10 students are unwilling to eat food packed from home and in canteen. Approximately 72% of students suffering from nutritional deficiency, and there are over 147 private schools in Chennai and 7,08,026 working women from 2070 to 2080 survey. The market for nutritious school lunches is significant and offers a great opportunity. With the increasing focus on health and wellness, parents are actively seeking solutions to ensure their children receiving adequate nutrition during school hours. The school system also values the well-being of students and is open to innovative ideas that enhances their educational experience. These issues, we came up with our business idea, the meal box, addressing these pain points by providing customized and nutritious lunch boxes for school children. We understand that children have different food preference and nutritional needs, so our lunch boxes are designed to cater their taste and their dietary requirements. We offer a variety of delicious and healthy options to ensure children stay interested in their meals and receive the essential nutrition they need for optimal growth and development. To monetize this idea, we will offer subscription-based plan for parents where they can choose from different lunchboxes options based on their children's preference and health requirements. The subscription model ensures a recurring revenue stream for our business. Additionally, we will collaborate with schools to provide our services directly to students, allowing them to order lunches on a daily or a weekly basis. Meal box provides a win-win solution for parents, schools, and children. Parents can rely on us providing nutritious and delicious meal tailored to children's needs, eliminating their worries about their nutritional intakes. Schools benefit from partnering with us by offering an additional value service to their students, promoting a healthy environment, and showcasing their commitment towards students' well-being. Finally, children get to enjoy a tasty and diverse meal, ensuring they can stay engaged and fueled for optimal performance in their studies.